Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that comes packed with indicators and candlestick patterns built in. Just grab it using the link in the description below. Now let us get into this review. In this video, I am looking at MHD Scalper Pro. It's an MT5 expert advisor built by developer Muhammad Hassan Jerab. It's priced at 1,200 US dollars to buy or 100 US dollars to rent for a month. It's on version 9.1. Scrolling into the description, this is built for XAUUSD, scalping on the M1 time frame. Okay, the listing frames this primarily as a trade management panel. It displays an LF channel with mid, upper, and lower levels, along with RSI readings across multiple time frames from M1 up to daily. Okay, so you can see momentum context at a glance rather than switching charts manually. So going through the features, there is a trailing stop that can activate from as little as $5 in profit, with step size scaling automatically based on lot size. Now, take profit is handled through an auto close function, closing trades once a target dollar amount is hit. There is an optional hard drawdown close to cap losses at a configurable dollar figure, and a multi-time frame wave filter with a 300 bar look back for momentum context. All right. Take profit itself scales directly with lot size. For example, a 0.01 lot targets $1, a 0.05 lot targets $5, okay, and 0.1 lot targets $10. So the dashboard also shows trading status, floating and daily profit and loss, spread in points, and progress toward the take profit target as a percentage. I do want to flag something here. The listing focuses heavily on trade management functions like trailing stops, auto take profit, and drawdown protection, along with informational displays like the channel and RSI readouts. It doesn't go into detail about the specific entry logic that triggers a new trade, so I can't speak to exactly how positions get opened in the first place, only how they appear to be managed once active. All right, so now let us get into the backtest that I ran myself. Okay, and I want to flag the test window here specifically. All right, this only covers a 17-day period from July 1st through July 17th, 2026. And the reason for that is this backtest was taking quite a lot of time. Okay, so in your convenience, you can actually run the backtest over a longer period of time. Okay, so this duration is considerably shorter than the multi-month windows that I usually test with. So keep that in mind with everything that follows. So this test started with an initial deposit of $10,000, and over those 17 days, the account showed a net profit of just over $512. Let us break down how it got there. This covered XAUUSD on M5 with history quality of at 99% across 804 total trades in just over 2 weeks. The win rate came in at just under 63%. Drawdown stayed very contained, under 2% on an equity basis, right? And then for the balance basis is just 0.51%. Okay. Now, average holding time was short, around 5.5 minutes, consistent with a fast scalping approach. Now the profit factor came in at 1.78 and the recovery factor was 2.61. All right, both solid figures. But again, this is a 17-day sample, not the longer multi-month window that gives a clearer picture of how a system holds up across different market conditions. Okay, so I will strongly recommend running this test, or rather running the EA across, a much longer period, over a longer period of time, by yourself before drawing any conclusions, since 17 days of gold price action is a narrow slice of market behavior. And a system like this, reacting quickly to short-term moves, can behave very differently across a wider range of conditions. And now, looking at the equity curve, we can see that the balance and equity were closely, neat. They are very close to each other, but there were times where significant drawdown happened. We can see here, there was a sharp drawdown here and here again. On several occasions, there were actually sharp drawdowns that took place. Okay. But overall, the EA recorded a steady growth over time. Within, over that 17-day window, there was steady growth. All right. Now, who might this expert advisor be suitable for? Based only on what is shown here, the short test window makes it hard to say much with confidence either way. The numbers themselves are positive, right? Pretty impressive, for a 17-day window. But the sample is limited. Okay, and as always, no EA is universally suitable. So you want to extend your own testing over several months or even several years, all right, before considering any live usage. So after backtesting it yourself, you can also forward test it before using it on a live account. All right. So forward test on a demo before using it on a live account. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.